All right, guys, let's do this. The way I use confirmations for my entries on VIX is very simple, but very accurate. And I'm going to show you guys today. First of all, let me quickly go through the swing formation with you. Okay, so let's say this is an order block. Okay, and you are waiting to buy from it. You are going to wait patiently and watch the candles as they are approaching. And this is the candle formation that you want to see. Okay, a 3 candle pattern that looks like this. Okay, so as you can see, you see this candle is approaching your zone. The second candle breaks this candle's low, touches your zone, but the third candle breaks the second candle's high. That's the middle candle. The high of the middle candle is broken by the third candle. Okay, but note that the low of this is higher than this low. The low of this candle also higher than this low. So this candle should stand out. The low of this candle should stand out. Okay, and the one here should be higher than it. The one here should be higher than it. And then the high of the middle candle should be broken. So this is a 3 candle pattern. You have to memorize it. It's very important. And let's do it for the same if you are trying to like sell from a supply. So let's say you have a supply zone somewhere here. Okay, and your candles are approaching the zone. You wait patiently for the same swing formation. Okay, this is what we call the swing formation. Okay, so the same pattern, 3 candle pattern. Okay, candles going up, second candle goes up above this, it makes a high. The third candle makes a lower low by breaking the middle candle's low. But see that the high of this candle stands out, right? The high at the left is lower, the high at the right is also lower, and the low of this candle has been broken. Very simple, a very simple candle pattern. Okay, so let's go to the chart. And now it's very important that you should note, if you are trading from a daily order block, okay, if you are trading from a daily order block, you mark your daily order block and you look for the candle pattern or the formation on the 4 hour. Okay, very important. Don't try to cheat your entries by going low, way lower. Okay, it will mess you up. And then also remember that if your zone is a 4 hour zone, you are going to look for the formation on the 1 hour. Okay, it's very important. And then if the zone is a 1 hour zone, you are going to look for the formation on a 30-minute or a 15-minute time frame. Okay, so that's how the time frame metrics works for this pattern. A daily zone, you go to 4 hour to look for the candle formation on the 4 hour. If it is a 4 hour zone, you go to the 1 hour to look for the formation. If it is an hour zone, you go to 15 minutes or 30 minutes to look for the formation. Okay, so I have this supply zone on the daily. So let's look at this example. And you remember, you have to trade with the trend. The trend is your friend. Okay, so you can see that this price was going up on the daily uptrend, and at this moment we've broken structure to the downside. Okay, a daily change of character. And what is the supply that caused the change of character? This candle right here. Okay, so you mark it up nicely like this, and then you wait patiently. And as price gets to this zone, you go to the 4 hour. As I said, on the daily, you have to use 4 hour confirmation. And then when you go to the 4 hour, you are looking for the swing formation. Okay. So what do we have here? You see this candle is higher than this candle, right? This candle higher than this candle, but see this candle lower. So this middle candle, the high is higher than this, also higher than this. This is what we call the swing formation. But then this third candle breaks this candle's low. Very important, know the rules. Okay. The candle touching your zone should be higher than the candle on the left and also higher than the candle on the right. Okay. But this candle, which is higher than the one on the left and the one on the right, the low of it should be broken by this candle. Very important. Okay, so we can see that we have our swing formation here, right? We have our swing formation. This candle, this middle candle has been broken. Its low has been broken. We have our swing formation. Now that we have our swing formation on the 4 hour, we go down to the 1 hour to look for our order block within this move, within this down move. You go to the 1 hour to look for our order block. Okay. Know the time frame matrix very well. Okay. A daily zone, we get our 4 hour swing formation. As we get the 4 hour swing formation, we just go to the 1 hour to see if we can find any other block in this swing formation. So this is our move, right? This is our swing formation. Okay, so let's go to the 1 hour to see if you get any other block resting within this leg. Okay, so I'm going to the 1 hour. Okay. So as I come to the 1 hour, within this leg, this down move that you see here, where is our order block? Right here, right? Let me delete this. Okay. The last up move before the down move. So yes, that green indecision candle, that is our zone. You simply place sell limit there, you place stop loss above it, and then boom. You see the reaction. Boom. Good reaction, strong. That's it. That's it. Simple as that. Let me go over it again. This is your daily supply zone. It has broken structure. As price comes to the daily zone, you go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we are only looking for what? A swing formation. And do we have our swing formation here? Yes. The swing formation is a 3 candle pattern. These 3 candles that I've marked. Okay. A 3 candle pattern. This candle, and then this. And that's our swing formation. As I said, the rules for the swing formation: the middle candle, the high should be higher than the one on the left and also higher than the one on the right. But this one on the right, the third candle should break the middle candle's low. Very important. After this candle close, okay, we are going to sell on this 4th candle. Okay. So where do we place our entries within this leg? So within this leg, we check on the 1 hour within this leg to find our order block or supply that has been formed, and we place our entries there on the 1 hour. So let's go. And this is it, right? The last up move before the massive move down. Boom. You place your sell limit there, stop loss above it, and then there you go. There you go. Okay, there you go. Beautiful reaction. So know the time metrics for the daily. On the daily, you mark your zone, you wait for 4 hours swing formation, you look for your new order block on the 1 hour. Okay, that has been formed within the swing formation on the 4 hour. As simple as that. So let's look for an example on the 4 hour as well. Let's say you are trading from let's say you are trading from, what do you call it? Let's say you're trading from a 4 hour zone. Okay, so let me look for a 4 hour demand. Okay, let's use this as an example. Let me clear all of this. Okay, so here we had a 4 hour uptrend. Okay, so let me use this. You can see that we broke structure here. There's on the 4 hour, and then we have what, a demand zone here or order block. Okay, so if you are working with the 4 hour, you look for your swing formation on the 1 hour, and after you've had your swing formation on the 1 hour, you go down to the 15 minutes to look for a 15-minute order block to place your entries there. Okay, so let's look at this 4 hour order block. Beautiful order block. Let's go to the 1 hour to see what happened here. Okay, so on the 1 hour, let's see if price formed a swing low there, and you can see there was a beautiful swing formation. You see this candle is lower than this candle, it's also lower than this candle. Okay, it is lower than the candle on the left, it's lower than the candle on the right, and then this candle on the right broke the high of this candle. Very beautiful. It broke the high of this candle. So after this candle has closed, okay, after this candle has closed, we go down to the 15 minutes. And what are we looking for? We are looking for the 15 minutes order block within this leg that has been formed. Okay, we are looking for a 15 minutes order block within this leg. Okay, so let me go to the 15 minutes to see if we had any. And you can see within this leg, that is our 15 minutes order block. Very simple and very accurate. It's crazy, huh? That's our 15 minutes order block. You just calm down. When you come down to the 15 minutes, you're not going to do anything. You just mark your order block, place your entries, place your stop loss. You place your entry on the order block here. Place your stop loss below the order block. Let me mark the order. And delete this. Okay, so there's the entire order block, right, on the 15 minutes. Place your entry here. Place stop loss below it. Place your TP at this high. Go and sleep. I swear you will come back and see your TP hit. This works like 80% of the time. You can go to your chart and back test it, guys. So there is it. A very simple strategy. So no, let me go over the time frames again. If you are working with the daily, okay, let's say you have a daily order block. You look for your swing formation on the 4 hour. After the swing formation has formed, remember the candle, the third candle has to break the second candle's low. After it has closed, you go within that candle leg. Okay, you go within that candle leg and find your 1 hour supply or demand. Place your entry. Nothing else. Just place your entry. Place your stop loss. Okay. If you don't have enough capital to work with the daily and the 1 hour, you can come to the 4 hour. You look for your 4 hour trend. You identify your 4 hour supply and demand or order blocks. You mark it out as price comes into it. You go to the 1 hour. Wait patiently, my friends. Wait patiently to see the swing formation. Okay, a good and a perfect swing formation on the 1 hour. After the swing formation has formed on the 1 hour, you go to the 15 minutes and look into that 1 hour leg or that 1 hour swing formation. You mark your order block within that swing and you place your entry like this. And then you see the reaction. The reaction is always crazy, fast, man. Go and make money with this. This should have been paid for, but go and make free money with it. Okay, be great, but test know the know the formation very well, master it, and make money with it. Talk to you later.